Good morning, everybody. Today I'm going to be working on my little mini excavator that I bought. Controls are not hooked up like I want them to be. This one here runs the blade. This one over here is the auxiliary one. And those two up here, they run the tracks forward and backwards. Well, today I'm going to take this panel off and I'm going to switch my hoses in here so that those here 2-foot ones are going to run my tracks, and this one will run my blade up and down, and this one will run my auxiliary. Okay, I just about got all the hydraulic oil out of her now. Then I'll be able to work on the hoses. This is where all the valves are. This one here is for the track. This lever for the right track. So I want to switch that one with this one right here for the blade. You can see them going up and down. So it's pretty simple. I just got to switch those two hoses. Okay, I got those two hoses switched. Now I want to switch this one hose here and this one right here. So those two now I got to switch. I had to switch the top ones and the bottom ones to each one. So I had to take a few more hoses off than I expected. But I got it all back together there now. So I'm going to fire up and check for leaks. I checked for leaks. I had one that I didn't have quite tight enough, so I got it fixed. So I'm just going to show you what each control does now. So before, this one here was for the blade up and down. Now it's for the track. That's what I wanted. Same as a regular excavator. And this one was auxiliary, and now it's for the left track. Now the blade is the lever over here on the right side, up and down. There you go. And that lever there now on the left side is just auxiliary. So it's working perfect. Got the wife's approval anyway. She likes that better. The way you can move her forward and backward with the pedals. Well, everybody, I got her all fixed up. I got her how I wanted her. All of her controls are the same as a regular excavator now. Thanks for watching. See you later.